In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment card in Printify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to fill out so your orders can be charged smoothly and automatically. Start by opening Printify and signing into your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. That's where Printify groups all your account and store tools. Find the section labeled Wallet. Go ahead and click Wallet to open your payment and balance controls. Inside Wallet, switch to the Payments tab. This is where you manage how you pay for orders and how your account handles charges. On the Payments page, scroll to the area called Payment Card. This is your list of saved cards, and it's where you'll add a new one. Click the button that says Add Credit/Debit Card. A secure form will appear for your card details. Begin with the card number field. Type the full number exactly as it appears on your card, without spaces or dashes. If you make a typo, it's better to clear that section and re-enter it carefully. A quick tip: many browsers can auto-fill cards you've saved locally, but double-check every digit before moving on. Next, enter the expiry date in month and year format, just like it's shown on your card. Then add the security code, also known as the CVV. For most cards, this is the 3-digit number on the back, and for some cards, it may be 4 digits on the front. Make sure you're using the correct code for the card you're adding. Add the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card. If your card includes a middle initial or punctuation, include it to reduce the chance of verification issues. Now fill in the billing address. This needs to match the address your bank has on file for that card, including apartment or suite numbers and the correct postal or zip code. If the address doesn't match your bank statements, the card might not be accepted, so take a moment to confirm those details. You'll also see an optional card nickname field. This is handy if you plan to store multiple cards, letting you label them by purpose, like business or personal, so you can identify them at a glance later. When everything looks correct, click Add Card to save it. You should now see the new card listed under Payment Cards and ready to be used for your Printify orders. If the card doesn't save, recheck the number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address, or try again on a secure network. That's it. Your payment card is now added to Printify, and you're set for faster, more reliable checkouts.